Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install Steam. So let's get started.
So just go to Google and type download Steam. You'll be getting the first link as Steam, the ultimate online platform. Just click that and you'll be getting like this Steam, and here you'll be having install Steam for Windows. It's also available for Mac. So just click it. So it's so fast. You'll be getting the Steam setup over here. Just click on open. Yeah, just click on yes, and you'll be having this welcome to Steam setup. Next again, and here you need to specify your language. I am good with English. Next, and this is a default location where Steam is going to get installed, and the default location is fine for me. I will just click on install. So to take some time to install, you can just check this run Steam and click on finish. So after updating and installing, you'll be getting like this. You need to create an account in your Steam. So if you're already having an account, you can just sign in, and if you don't have a Steam account, you can just click on create a free account. So this is how your Steam will appear after you have installed and signed in with your account.